Welcome back to Learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to talk about single guides. The question I've received is, can you hide them individually? Let me just drag some out of rulers. If you can't see rulers, press Ctrl R. I've already created some. And under edit you can delete them, but you can only delete them all at once. Let me drag some more. Same goes for view and hide. So if you check the box under view and guides, you will hide them all or uncheck it to view them all. What you can do though is to delete them one by one. Just hover over it, press the E key or double click on it. And you can delete it, or in this case lock it. So that works for single individual guides, but every time you go to edit and delete them, all are deleted, including the locked ones. Same goes for the view, so if you check the box, even the locked ones aren't visible anymore. So the only way that I see to get around it is to just draw a line on top of one guide. You can see I've got the snapping enabled, and I use the Bezier tool. Just left click, give it a color that doesn't interfere with your design. Most often that's a light red, so shift click on red color swatch. Now make the guides invisible, and you now see only the line, and you can treat it as a guide. Just activate snap to paths as well, and it should snap. So as I've said, hiding individual guides doesn't seem to be possible in Inkscape, but you can use this method to get around it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.